Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So, I'm going to baseball right now, like I always do. You can see these bracelets. Yeah, so those are my bracelets. Baseball is now kind of fun because it's almost over anyways, and then we're gonna get our trophies and stuff. So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel, and then go leave a big fat thumbs up. I'm trying to get 1,000 likes on this video. I guess. I guess, I don't know. Yeah, I'm in the train station. As you can see by the tracks, if you can see the tracks, probably. Going to Flint, Michigan. In a week, I think, on Friday, yeah. But sadly, I can't tell you where the hotel is, because I don't want you tracking me down. Leave a big fat thumbs up, like I said, and go down, and you'll see red words that says subscribe, and then go to the side, go to this side of the subscribe button and press a bell notifications to never miss a video from me. I guess I'll see you when I get there.